What's going on, guys? This is going to be the first video of the Walkolution 2 tutorial series where I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the Walkolution treadmills. That includes the most common questions we are getting from you. What is a manual treadmill? And why a manual treadmill is simply the best tool you can get for your workspace setup. And to start out real quick, the first couple of videos are going to be a brief introduction, and afterwards, we will dive deeper into what makes the Walkolution treadmills stand out. Walkolution is the quietest treadmill in the market. Designed for work, it is so silent, you can use it without distracting yourself or others. At normal walking speed, it's quieter than a whisper. So quiet, it won't be picked up on a video call. And to prove it, let's check the decibel meter. You see, incredibly low noise levels. Unlike motorized treadmills, there's no engine hum, no belt scraping, just smooth, silent movement. So if you want to stay active without background noise, this is it. Walkolution is a manual treadmill, which means no motor, no buttons, just your movement. The belt moves when you move, speeding up or slowing down naturally. Here's the trick. The belt rests on smooth ball bearings and has a slight incline of less than 2%. So light, you don't even notice. But this incline helps the belt respond instantly to your movement and makes walking feel more natural and joint-friendly. Think of it like a perfect mirror of your steps. You move, it moves. Simple, smooth, and totally in sync with you. Stopping? Easy. You just stop moving. Walkolution only moves in one direction, and that's by design. Here's why. Because it never rolls backward, you can lean against our ergonomic standing support instead of sitting. Unlike sit-stand desks, there's no awkward height adjustment. Just lean, walk, and repeat. This makes switching between walking and resting effortless. Something you'll do hundreds of times a day without thinking. And it's all thanks to our patented one-way mechanism. No motors, no friction, just natural movement, the way it should be. Maintenance, zero. Walkolution is 100% maintenance-free. No oiling, no belt adjustments, no replacing parts. Just set it up and walk. The high-quality bearings and slats are built to last, and it stays silent the whole time. So while other treadmills need constant care, Walkolution just keeps moving. Typing while walking? No problem. Your upper body stays stable, and at a natural walking pace, typing feels just as easy as if you were sitting. And unlike motorized treadmills, you control the speed, so you can walk as slowly as you like. Most people adapt within minutes, and some of our users have even written entire books while walking. And studies confirm it. Typing accuracy remains high, and once you try it, you won't want to work any other way. Absolutely. In fact, walking helps you focus. That's one of the main reasons we created Walkolution. Research shows that light movement boosts brain function, improves concentration and attention compared to sitting or standing. Oh, and no, walking isn't multitasking. It's as natural as breathing. You'll think clearer, you'll work smarter, and feel better, all while staying active. Walkolution is proudly made in Germany, built with precision in our high-tech factory. Every treadmill is crafted with top quality materials and individually inspected before shipping. No mass production, no shortcuts, just German engineering at its finest. Maximum speed? That's all up to you. Walkolution is a manual treadmill, which means no limits. Walk slow, speed up, or even run. The belt moves just as fast as you do. And yes, you can absolutely run on it. Look at me, I'm 6'2", 188 centimeters. And there's plenty of space for natural strides. With a running surface of 43 inches, that's 110 centimeters, you can go from a stroll to a full-on sprint, all in total control. No buttons, no presets, just pure movement. The lean stool attachment is your perfect balance between movement and rest. Instead of sitting, you can lean comfortably, keeping your posture upright and your leg muscles engaged. It makes switching between walking, standing, and leaning effortless. No need to adjust your desk or stop working. And it's way better than a sit-stand desk. Just lean back, recharge, and keep going. Almost. Walkolution 2 arrives mostly assembled. Just a few quick steps and you're ready to go. The treadmill itself, completely pre-assembled. All you do is attach the wooden or the plastic side panels and slide in the lean stool attachment. In case you went for the stool attachment, of course that is. If you ordered the core desk, it ships separately for easy transportation. Assembly of the desk takes about 15 minutes. Just set up the base, screw on the tabletop, and you're good to go. Definitely. We've got thousands of happy customers overseas, and we ship to the US every single day. Each Walkolution treadmill is built in Germany and arrives securely packed in our bomb-proof packaging. We handle all import taxes and duties, so the price you see on our website is the final price. No surprises. Ordering. Super easy. Just place your order online and we'll schedule delivery. Fast, simple, and hassle-free.